Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the contain lists. Okay, there are three lists: union list, state list, and concurrent list. All the 97. And what is in your union list? There are 97 subjects, but it will be decreased or increased according to time. Only the parliament who has the exclusive power of legislation on union list, only your parliament. And some of the subjects in the union list are defense, foreign affair, war, peace and railway, post office, currency and foreign exchange, etc. Okay, this one is your union list, and union list always take the decision in the favor of your country, to take care of the whole country. Every decision taken by your union list. And state list, there are 66 subjects like police, local government, public health, sanitation, agriculture, forest, etc. And the legislature has exclusive power to make law on these subjects. कि your state legislature has the power to make a law on such type of subjects. But in some circumstances, if there is a need to make a law on that, parliament can also make the law on the subject mentioned in the state list, sometime if needed then. Okay. And third one, your concurrent list. 52 subjects are there. For example, marriage, divorce, transfer of property other than agriculture, land, adulteration of foodstuffs, drugs and medicine. Ki all in these type of subjects are made by your concurrent list. Okay. Parliament as well as state legislature. Parliament as well as your state legislature, your state government, both make a law on the subject. But sometime if there will be any conflict on any subject, on that time your central law prevail, yani union list is more powerful, and decision taken by only your union list if there will be any conflict then. Okay. And the fourth one, your residuary subject. And what is in this subject? Ki all in this subject, those subject not come in your first and second and third list. These subjects always comes in the residuary subject. Computer, software, hardware, e-commerce. Okay. And are the some example of the residuary, and always law made on this in this list by your parliament. Okay. And your adult franchise, you know about that. What is adult franchise? What is adult franchise? You know about those who are 18 or above 18, they have right to vote, and are representatives always chosen by the people, those who are 18 and above 18. Okay. And they elect their representatives who constitute the parliament. Who constitute the parliament? Your Lok Sabha always elected by the people, and Rajya Sabha always elected by your state legislature. Okay, these all are guide the union government. People express their trust because by electing our representative, we have faith on the representative. They are going to functioning of our democratic setup. And your parliament is there. Two houses are there. Lok Sabha is known as lower house, and your Rajya Sabha is known as upper house. Okay. And your president Ramnath Kovind. Okay, Ramnath Kovind is the president of India, but president never is not a member of any two houses, whether your Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. But how he is an integral part of parliament? Because whenever any bill, any law, there is a need to make any law on that time when we represent a bill in parliament. Okay. After passing the bill from both houses, we sent it to the president, and president, or when president give their approval, sign on the bill, then this bill become a law. Okay, that's why your president is the integral part of both houses, your parliament. कि without his consent no bill will become a law. Okay, thank you, and write down the question from here also. Okay, thank you. Okay.